हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है जिसका नाम है जूडल। जूडल पे जब एक बच्चा अपने स्कूल के ज़रिए अपना आर्टवर्क अपलोड करता है उसको कुछ क्रेडिट्स मिलते हैं। वी ऑलरेडी हैव 120 schools across 84 cities that are part of this network.
How big is this? Give me a figure.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम ऋतिका अमित कुमार है और मैं स्टेम मेटावर्स की को-फाउंडर हूँ। और ये स्पील मैं एक्चुअली हिंदी में दूँगी, ना सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि शार्क टैंक इंडिया हिंदी में होता है, बट इसलिए क्योंकि इंग्लिश में वीडियो वहाँ उस स्टॉल पे रन हो रहा है, सो यू कैन एक्चुअली गो एंड वॉच इट देयर। बट स्टेम मेटावर्स एक टैलेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है। हर बच्चा टैलेंटेड होता है, हमारे बच्चे बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं। कुछ बच्चे आर्टिस्टिक होते हैं, कुछ बच्चे लिखते अच्छा हैं, कुछ बच्चे रोबोटिक्स में इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं। यहाँ बैठा है राज, एक पब्लिश्ड ऑथर है। पर उसके बाद क्या? आप उसकी एक फ़ोटो लेकर इंस्टाग्राम पे डालते हैं पोस्ट बना के, या आप एक वीडियो लेकर व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करते हैं और कुछ लाइक्स आ जाती हैं उस पर। बट व्हाट नेक्स्ट? हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है जिसका नाम है जूडल। जूडल पे जब एक बच्चा अपने स्कूल के ज़रिए अपना आर्टवर्क अपलोड करता है तो उस पर उसको कुछ क्रेडिट्स मिलते हैं। वो क्रेडिट्स वो यूज़ कर सकता है अपने आप को अपस्किल करने के लिए, क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म एक मार्केट प्लेस से कनेक्टेड है। जब वो अपस्किल करता है तो उसको सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलते हैं और क्रेडिट्स मिलते हैं, और फिर उसके बाद वो और काम पब्लिश करता है। धीरे धीरे इस बच्चे के पास एक बॉडी ऑफ वर्क होता है। ऐसा ही एक बच्चा राजू हल्दर, हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू उसने अपना आर्टवर्क अपलोड किया था, जीता, वो गोल्डन पेन अवार्ड्स, गोल्डन ब्रश अवार्ड्स जीता, और फिर उसने अपने 2 आर्टवर्क्स को एक बुक कवर पे पब्लिश होते हुए देखा। इसकी पब्लिशिंग राइट्स अपने हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू उसके NFTs में गई। NFT इज़ अनदर टेक्नोलॉजी जो बाद में थोड़ा और डिटेल में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। बट पॉइंट ये है, बच्चे इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू उनको एक्चुअली रिकग्निशन मिलता है, और बाद में ये रिकग्निशन धीरे धीरे करके स्कॉलरशिप्स में डेवलप हो सकता है। CSR कंपनीज अपने स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम्स को रन करने के लिए काफ़ी बच्चों को ढूंढती हैं, एंड दिस प्लेटफॉर्म कैन बी वन ट्रांसपेरेंट सोर्स फॉर देम टू गेट एक्सेस टू दीज चिल्ड्रन। और इवन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ बाद में जब उनको एडमिशन के लिए बच्चे स्काउट करने होते हैं, स्कॉलरशिप्स अवार्ड करनी होती हैं, तो ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म एक्चुअली इसके थ्रू आप देख सकते हो कि बच्चे ने 2nd या 3rd स्टैंडर्ड से धीरे धीरे करके अपने आप को कैसे अपस्किल किया है। सो ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे बच्चे धीरे धीरे करके अपने स्किल्स को अपलोड कर सकें, रिकग्निशन पा सकें, उसके थ्रू अपने आप को अपस्किल कर सकें, और फिर स्कॉलरशिप्स और एडमिशन्स बाद में अवेल कर सकें इन अ वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट वे। दैट्स व्हाट स्टेम मेटावर्स इज़ ऑल अबाउट। एंड इसके लिए अपस्किलिंग के लिए हमारे बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स हैं जो स्टेम ओरिएंटेड भी हैं, जो एक्चुअली आपको रोबोटिक्स, प्रोग्रामिंग, क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, एडवांस आर्ट सिखाते हैं, एंड इसके थ्रू आपका बच्चा कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर सकता है। सो स्टेम मेटावर्स के क्लियर पार्टनर्स होते हैं स्कूल्स, जो कि अपने बच्चों को एक्सेस देते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म का, एंड फिर बच्चे जब उसमें धीरे धीरे अपने आर्टवर्क और अपने टैलेंट को अपलोड करते हैं तो उनको ना सिर्फ रिकग्निशन मिलता है, बट ये रिकग्निशन,
समय समाप्त हुआ।
थैंक यू, बट लेट मी जस्ट कंप्लीट द लास्ट सेंटेंस। पर ये रिकग्निशन एक्चुअली उनको स्कॉलरशिप्स में तब्दील हो सकता है। दैट्स द एडवांटेज दैट योर चाइल्ड, दैट द एंड यूजर इज गेटिंग। Thank you for those 5 extra seconds. Yeah.
Ritu, good pitch. How many students have you covered till date, and how big you think you can take this to? What scale and how many years?
So if you look at it, this platform was launched somewhere last year in November. We already have 120 schools across 84 cities that are part of this network. So you can put in a multiplier of 500, but I can basically tell you that we've got somewhere around 10,000 students who are already on the platform. And actually speaking, around 3,000 students have already availed credits to avail courses, only since last November. And this is only through schools. So we've not gone all out burning our marketing budget. It's a very organic growth that we've looked at. And we plan to, unless, now when you ask that second question, exponential growth will come in pretty much once we have more marketing budgets, because right now we are in a space where we are completely bootstrapped.
Assuming
And
you have all the marketing budget,
yeah,
how big is this
it's
business
actually,
opportunity?
this is something that can completely
Give
scale
me a
worldwide.
figure. Give me a figure.
Sir, we're looking at a CAGR. I'll give you the World Economic Forum figures. They're looking at 23% growth when it comes to the creative economy. That's the scale that I'm looking at. But to match that, education, this is in 2036, education has to move from T minus 10 years. That is where I am at. Now to give you a particular figure, I'm very simply looking at a very small pie, which is my SOM, looking at building about an army of about 5 lakh, 5 lakh army of creators, that's students, in the next 1 year. If that's what you're talking, this is the tangible number that I'm looking at, 5 lakh in the next 1 year. Beyond that, we have to see how it grows. It would be unfair to say how fast we'd be able to scale up. But we're at a spiel where we're growing with almost two schools every month. So that's where it is. Yeah.
So, as you said that, you are looking for the 5 lakh, this is a figure which you are already having it in your mind. So, how are you strategically planning about this one? Do you have a team, or like how you are taking it up?
So we're a team of 7 people, right? And we're all we're all working towards curriculum development, helping schools, onboarding them, and building more partners to help our network grow, essentially, so that it becomes more of an international network, hopefully in the coming few days. That's our scale, but we have at least our step. So we're at step 1 right now. From our step 1 to step 10 is going to be through schools. Why? Because it gives me an absolute tangible, I'm not burning my money on social media where I can market to everybody. I'm looking at certified students who are part of the schooling network.
So only a team of 7 people, do you think that you can achieve this 5 lakh?
So we already,
we
already have 20,000 schools whom we are engaged with. I didn't give you my background. I've been running a newspaper for children for the past, since 2018. We've already been a part of some of the most prestigious schools, their summer camps and extra school courses. But when I'm here only to talk about Zoodle and the kind of platform that we are looking at building. Ultimately, we've been working in the talent space for a while now, looking at marrying that with CSR funds and scholarships. What my ask over here is, anybody who has any network in the CSR domain, please give us access to it. We'd be happy to lap that up.
So only with the 7 team of you are okay to achieve the market. What is the marketing strategy which you are, because you're not going for the social marketing or something like that. So how are you approaching the schools? What is your module actually approaching the schools? Is it a kind of an rapport built up with some people connectivity only through the network? Or
through networks, through our partnerships, via our own network, because we have a fairly wide, like I told you, we used to run a newspaper for children, already got a very wide network of schools. And we're in fact, we are already, like I said, we're onboarding 2 schools on a regular basis. When you look at a chain of schools, right, something like Footprints has 100 branches across. You get 2 branches today, 2 branches next week, 2 branches. So you're looking at chains as well. So we've been working with DPS, we've also worked with Vasant Valley, we've worked with a couple of other very prestigious schools. Thankfully have certain amount of credibility in the line. It's not something that we just started yesterday. It's been there, we've been in the education space for a while now.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, as you just mentioned, right, every month you are adding 2 schools, right?
Yes.
So what do you think, how much you are going to spend on GTM? Do you think on the GTM strategy, right, to reach to the schools? So are you putting some effort? What exactly you're doing that every month 2 schools are adding?
So just about a few months back, in March this year, we ran something called the Golden Brush Awards. 120 schools participated in that alone. And we had an adoption rate of at least about 10,000 people. Every time we run a hackathon or a competition, that's the kind of traction we get. We ran the Golden Pen Awards last year. 10 children out of that got published. And that again saw somewhere around, this is around across 84 cities. It's not Delhi, it's not Bombay, it's not Kolkata or any of the other metro cities. It's places like Awarpur, Chandarpur, Tuticorin, Kharagpur, These are the places where people are coming in online. When you look at an offline strategy, we're there in the metros. But when you look at our online strategy, these are the cities where maximum talent is coming from. And we're thankfully able to tap into that because of the, now when you look at GTM strategy, I do have spends. My spends go in engaging with schools, creating marketing collateral for schools, also creating awards, planning those awards and marketing those awards. But we don't run ads,
Yeah.
if that's where I'm coming at.
Yeah. So, spending, even if,
Yeah.
so I think, so because manually, whatever the way you are reaching to the schools, that is a cost to them, right? It's a cost to the company, right? So you are saying
Yeah,
that
yeah.
there's no cost reaching to the customer.
No, no,
You-
I don't mean that there's no cost. There's no, and I didn't mention that there's no cost reaching to the school. What I meant was that my cost to the customer is very negligible. If you divided that by the total number of population, would be very, very less. Because this is the cost that we are sort of incurring. That's pretty much it. So when 500 students come from the school, the cost gets divided by 500. So my cost per customer is actually very low. But it definitely isn't zero. We can't survive with the zero cost. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.